This film is about the village where I grew up, Culcheth, now in Cheshire but was in Lancashire till 1974. Here is Newchurch, where I used to sing in the choir. My sister was married here, and my mum and dad's ashes are buried here. Here's the memorial garden and the spot where my parents' ashes are interred. The Pack Horse pub is right next to the church. I used to drink in here. It's closed for refurbishment on the day of filming, but will shortly reopen. This is a bit self-indulgent, but this part of the film focuses on the house where I lived for the first 18 years of my life, 2 Sefton Avenue. This is the park in the centre of the village where I spent many happy hours as a youngster. This shop was originally the CPS, Culcheth Provision Stores, but is now a Sainsbury's. This is above Sainsbury's and used to house lots of independent shops, some of which were quite interesting. The tenants have all recently been served eviction notices and most have gone, which is really sad. It used to be quite busy up here. This final bit of footage is at Hinton House in Risley, a couple of miles up the road from Culcheth. I've worked in this building on many occasions, and my daughter Sarah was in the building on the day of the filming.